Okay, so we have f of x, we have g of x, and what we're going to do now is we're going to find f of g of x. And so what that means is we're going to pass g of x, which is a function, through the function f. So in effect, what we're doing is you're saying f of 5 minus x. So the first thing we want to do is we want to write out f of x. So f of x is equal to 1 plus 3x divided by x minus 1. So wherever I see x, I'm going to put 5 minus x. So that's going to be 1 plus 3, 5 minus x divided by, where I see x, I'll put 5 minus x. That's going to be 5 minus x minus 1. So now we have 1 plus, now this 3 has to be multiplied by the 5 and by the minus x. So this is 3 times 5 is 15 minus 3x divided by 5 minus x minus 1. Okay, so now that gives us 16 minus 3x. 5 minus x minus 1 is 5 minus 1, which is 4 minus x. And we can't reduce this any further. So that's where we're going to stop.